Welcome to MuzArt. We are going to draw Mooncake Festival Lantern. We will need poster color, brushes, a square drawing paper, eraser and pencil. First, we need to draw a circle. I mark a midpoint on the edges, then sketch out the circle shape. Here I am sketching 3 branches and the basic shape of my lantern. You can draw any kind of lantern you like. Then I draw the reflection of moon and stream on the background and add some details for the lantern. Some osmanthus flowers and leaves on the branches. Now is the coloring part. We are going to paint an overall base color. I pick Prussian blue, yellow and pink. First, layer some water in the circle. After that, put the color on top when it is still wet. I paint the edge with dark color in order to bring out the lantern. Next, I draw the lantern darker with some red. We can let the paper dry out a bit before we put the next color. I put the red too soon. You can see the red uncontrollably spreading out. You can color the rest with any color you like. Here I paint some fallen flowers and stream. And add some detail coloring for flowers and shadow. Top up some highlights and details with white. And also touch up some shadow parts. Lastly, I decide to make the background darker in order to bring out the lantern more. Add some more details. Finally, we can cut out the white paper part. Yes, we have done.